What's up, guys? Welcome to another one. So today I'm testing out a product. I did a little research on it, and this is all green cleaner. I mean, true plant-based cleaner. All plant-based ingredients. Shockingly powerful, it says. So I'm gonna give it a try because this is actually a good project here to try. So what this product dilutes down is 1 to 2 ounces a gallon, which is really good. Usually 4 ounces is the standard for cleaners. So I'm going to go ahead and just dilute the 2 ounces a gallon. I'm going to put can make up 2 gallons, and I'll show you the carpet work whenever you were working on it. Repeat customer, elderly lady, you know, she's 90 something years old, so hey, you know, we're here to help her out. What's up, YouTube? Tommy here from Green Rhino. I've been documenting my journey on this channel from a part-time hustle as a machinist to operating a very successful cleaning company. My goal is to show you what I was looking for when I was starting out, sharing the cleaning solutions I use, the equipment, so I can help others thinking about getting into the cleaning industry. And maybe, just maybe, helping to make that first step. It can change your life like it did me. Don't worry, industry, I'm not trying to be the know-it-all carpet cleaner, but I am trying to be an example of what could be. Real quick, guys, if you're thinking on getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course below all my videos in a link. How to start a carpet cleaning business, not only the technical side, but how to get people to call you, the business side. Alright, and if you like any of the tools I use, also below all the videos that I post. Back to the video. So guys, that stuff really is really doing a good job. I did this place numerous of times, a repeat customer. Always this dirty or worse. I usually use carpet details on it. Of course, it works great. But I just want to test this stuff out, and it works great also. Other than a little organic sting here and there, maybe water or coffee that I did use the 21 for before you extracted. Yeah, everything came out looking great. So customer should be really Pleased with that. And yeah, I'm liking the product, and I'm actually going to keep that on there for any customer that is really sensitive to any kind of chemicals. Although you know, most everything I use is hypoallergenic, green safe, but this is probably the greenest out there, and I like that because I'm called Green Rhino. And if I don't have solutions in my van that back that up, then hey, that's not too honest. And you know me, I'm all about law of attraction, you know. I stopped being honest with people, they stopped being honest with me. Yeah, so the rest of this is really easy. This room right here is just light cleaning right here. The room back there is the most used. All except for that red stain back there that I've treated numerous times. It doesn't want to go anywhere. It's going to come out looking great. Alright, so this is a short video. Product review. You can get that stuff off from Bonnet Pro. It's a Bonnet Pro. No, I'm sorry. Yeah, it's a Bonnet Pro product. So NanoMaxx. I'm curious on trying it on some more carpets, greasy carpets. I want to try that out because it is a green product. Well, naturally plant-based product. Usually those are really good on oily, greasy stains or soil. So encapsulation or traditional carpet cleaning. So you can use this for encap or low moisture, BLM. And note this, guys, I'm cleaning with cold water right now, pretty much cold. My machine's not working great. It keeps dumping water into my waste tank, which is not letting my water heat. So note that too, guys. That's cold water cleaning. Yeah, hopefully I figured this out soon. I think I got